With an aim to increase the vaccination rate of measles, polio, and other diseases among children and to educate the populace on vaccination, the Ministry of Health has organized a list of activities that will be held in the center of various communities on the island. This lies at the center of this year's Vaccination Week in the Americas from Saturday, April 22nd to Saturday, April 29th, 2023. Nurse Hannah St. Paul says the activities kick off with vaccination in schools and communities.
Currently happening, as you rightfully stated, from the 22nd of April, the Ministry of Health, in collaboration with the Pan American Health Organization, together with countries and territories throughout the region of the Americas, is celebrating what we call the 21st Annual Vaccination Week in the Americas and the 12th World Immunization Week. And we are doing that under the slogan and also a call to action to the population under the slogan, "Get up to date. Each vaccine counts."
All right.
We also have an awareness walk on Saturday. We're trying to go back into the communities to reinvigorate that spirit that we once had for vaccination among our people. So we have that walk on Saturday at 3 p.m. from Progress Park in St. Andrews to Tivoli Junction in Tivoli. Before that walk, though, we will be having a health fair for the children in Tivoli and the surrounding areas. So we're asking the parents to bring them out. We have the best team of pediatricians with us. And we also have an obstetrician gynecologist for the mothers.
The nurse says that in the past, Grenada would boast of a 98% immunity to polio and other disease. This, she says, has changed as records have shown that 30% of Grenada's youth are not vaccinated.
Because as you can appreciate, our region was certified as polio-free for over 39 years. However, if you follow the news, in 2022, we had a polio outbreak in America. And polio is threatening again our region. So we are losing our level of certification quickly. We were also known as a region that was free of measles. We no longer have that level of certification. So it tells us that we have these diseases back into our region. Immunization coverage for measles, mumps, and rubella is showing 52%. So it is a significant concern. And that is why Immunization Week in the Americas is so important for us, because it helps us to concentrate and to bring that awareness to persons.
While many parents and guardians have proven to be more skeptical about vaccinating their children, especially due to COVID-19, Dr. Aria Charles of the Pan American Health Organization is visiting Grenada to provide support to health officials during the vaccination week. He reassures parents that the vaccines today are the same 10 years ago.
The problem is not only limited to Grenada, it's a global problem. I just wish to inform our population, our communities, that the same vaccines that we are giving the children today are the same vaccines we received. There are a few new vaccines that have added. And I don't think anybody has an agenda to harm his or her own very community. Vaccines are safe. Vaccines are meant to protect life. Like the adage goes, prevention is better than cure.
Dr. Charles is cautioning families not to be misinformed about vaccination, but gain information from credible sources such as medical doctors. For GBN News, I am Rena Thomas reporting.